Toilets, the Caillou cast, the Cocomelon cast, and the Trolls cast too. Let's start.
Let's invite the trolls, cast the Cocomelon cast to do